You are looking to make money online, but there is one problem. You don't have money and you don't have many skills. Well, you clicked on the right video because I'm going to lay out the entire blueprint for a side hustle that can potentially allow you to earn your first $1,000 online for free. This blueprint contains 4 steps. Step 1 is that you are going to use Google Maps to find businesses that are in need of a website. Step 2 is to contact as many businesses as you can. Step 3 is you are going to create a website for them using AI. Step 4 is that you are going to sit back and watch the money come in your pocket. Let's start with the first step, which is finding a business on Google Maps. Now, what you are going to do is go on Google and open Google Maps. What we are doing now is we need to search for a business that doesn't have a website. It's the best to go for a specific niche, since it will be easier for you that way. Some niches that you can go for are hairdressers, nail salons, pet shops, mechanics, and there are much more. Basically every business that needs a booking. In order to make money, they will need a website. Now what you're going to do is, you will build an email list of all businesses that you can find on Google Maps and reach out to them offering a service. In our case, it's website. You will need to search for businesses that don't have a website, and I'm going to show you exactly how you can figure that out. I'm going to be using gyms as an example. Once you click search, you can see that there will be a lot of businesses in your chosen region. As you can see, I found a gym that doesn't have a website. Now what you are going to do is, you need to open their Facebook page and find their email. Using this method, you can scrape for many emails that will help you build your email list. That will lead us to the next step, which is contact as many businesses as you can. During this stage, I found a special trick that can help you convert 50% more leads into customers. That trick is building a mock-up website. Building a mock-up website will make your approach more serious, because in the cold email, you can include samples of the website that you have made. Using this will also make your customer gain more trust. Let's start with the mock-up website. To create one, you can either use WordPress, which will take you longer to create, or use the Hostinger website builder, which I will be using for example. What you are going to do is, you need to open Google and search for Hostinger AI Builder, click on the first link, and click on Try for Free. As you can see, here we need to input the brand name, website type, and description. We already have the brand name. In our case, the Texas gym that we found on Google Maps. For the type, we can choose other, and for the description, we will use ChatGPT. Now we need to open ChatGPT and generate a description for our website. Now you need to input the description into the builder and we are done. As you can see, this is how the website will look like, and it only took us 2 minutes to create. Now you can take screenshots of the website and use it in the cold emails that you will be sending. The fact that the customer is going to see this example will make them take you more seriously and increase your chances in success. Now once you have built an email list of potential customers, as I have showed you the example with the Texas gym, you can create an example website for the whole list and include it in the cold email. For example, in one day you collect 10 emails, you can create 10 separate websites for free and include screenshots of each website in each email so you can show your future customer how his website would look like. There are a few ways on how you can create the cold outreach email, but the ones that have worked the best for me are PASS and HSO. Problem. Agitate, dive deeper into the immediate problem. Solution. Hook. Story. Offer. Now you need to choose one format and create the script in ChatGPT. In our case, I will use PAS. I will type, create me a cold email script with the PAS element. Problem, agitate, solution. For a gym business offering a website without including the PAS words in it. This doesn't have to be the exact script that ChatGPT gives you. You can customize it in your own style. Now all you need to do is open your email and send the cold email to the potential customer. You need to add the receiver's email address and create an intriguing subject. You can create the subjects using ChatGPT. As I already mentioned, you don't have to use the exact email that ChatGPT gave you. You can customize it on your own. Now make sure that everything is correct, and that's how easy it is to contact your future customers. Bonus tip, you can use a professional email, for example, business@moneydegree.com. Using this, the customers will have more trust in you and your outreach will look more professional. Step 3. Create a website using AI. Let's say you have found a customer and you need to create a website for him. You will use either WordPress or Hostinger, which is easier for you. One website will cost you from $3 to $10. You can charge your customers from $200 to $500 per website. Make sure that you invest time into learning how to create a good website. As we all know, in order to make money online, we all need to invest some of our time into something that will benefit us in the long term. I have tried this method personally, and I am still using it to this day. If you want a video of me showing you how to create a professional website, feel free to leave a comment down below. Also, if you are gaining true value from this video, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to my channel, because there will be many more videos like this that will help you make money online with the most updated methods. Step 4. Sit back and watch the money come in your pocket. If you are consistent enough, you can find a customer in only 1 week. A good thing about this business model is that it can be scaled easily. Once you get one customer, you will have a budget to create multiple websites at once. Using the money from your first customer, you can also invest it in a freelancer that will create the websites for you. Now, your only job will be to send cold emails and convert customers without making a website. This is just a possibility, but if your goal is to make from $500 to $2,000 per month, you can easily manage the clients on your own. Even if you don't plan to make money out of this business model, it's still good for you to learn the fundamentals of website creating and sales. These two skills have longevity and will serve you well in any business that you will start. Everything that you saw in this video doesn't have to be implemented in your business structure. You can use everything that I have showed you and add your own twist to it. Now you need to understand that this isn't a get-rich-quick scheme. This will take time depending on the skills that you currently have. For me personally, I have experience in creating websites and I am somewhere good in cold outreach, so I managed to get my first customer in only 1 week. Even if you don't get your first customer in 1 month, keep on trying and don't give up. I assure you that if you are consistent enough, you will manage to get your first customer in no time. I hope that you found this video helpful. See you in the next one.